The name Auchterlony and its variants, such as Ochterlony, have their origins in the lands of Auchterlony, located near Forfar in Scotland. The clan's history can be traced back to the 13th century, with mentions of figures like John of Othirlony in deeds from 1226. These early references highlight the presence and significance of the Auchterlony clan in medieval Scotland. One of the most notable entries in the clan's history comes from the Ragman Roll of 1296. In this historical document, Wauter de Oghterloveny of Fife paid homage to Edward I of England for his lands. This record serves as a testament to the Auchterlonys' connection to their homeland and their willingness to defend their territories. Nisbet, a prominent Scottish genealogist, asserts that Wauter de Oghterloveny may have been the ancestor of Auchtirlovie of that ilk. This designation, of that ilk, signifies that they were the chief or principal family of the clan. The Auchtirlovies played a significant role in the clan's history and possibly held leadership positions within the community. Over time, the Auchterlony clan expanded its holdings to include the lands of Kelly. William Auchterlony de Kelly even served as sheriff of Forfar in 1514, demonstrating the clan's involvement in local governance. This expansion and its influence allowed the clan to establish a firm presence in Forfarshire. Aside from Forfarshire, Auchterlonies were also present in Ayrshire, specifically at Kintrocket and Pitforthy. These locations served as additional strongholds for the clan, highlighting their widespread influence in different regions of Scotland. One of the most remarkable figures in the clan's history is Major General Auchterlony. He fought in the service of the Russian Tsar during the Crimean War and met his heroic end at the Battle of Inkerman in 1854. Major General Auchterlony's family had emigrated from Scotland to Russia in 1794, further showcasing the international reach of the Auchterlony name. Another illustrious member of Clan Auchterlony was Major General Sir David Auchterlony. He entered the military service of the East India Company and distinguished himself in campaigns in Nepal. His contributions to the British Empire earned him the prestigious title of Knight Grand Cross of the Order of the Bath in 1816. Today, the Auchterlony family still holds land in Forfarshire, preserving their enduring connection to the region and their ancestral roots. Their legacy serves as a testament to the resilience and adaptability of Scottish clans throughout history.